Welcome to this tutorial. In this session, we'll show you how to manage your bed inventory in the hospital management system, setting up bed types, wards, pricing, and equipment, so you always know what's available across your facility. Let's get started. From the sidebar, click the search menu at the top and type Hospital to filter your modules. Then click Hospital Management to open the Hospital Management module. Next, click Bed Management. This is where all your bed-related settings. Then open the Beds section to view and configure your beds. Click here to begin configuring a new bed in the system. On the form that opens, start by selecting the bed type, like general bed. Sorting beds by type keeps your inventory clear and makes it easier to match patients to the right space. Then choose the ward this bed belongs to, such as the general female ward. Linking each bed to a ward helps your team see exactly where every space sits across the facility. Next, set the price for this bed in the pricing field. This is the rate charged for the space, so set it to match what each bed type is worth. Set the bed status to available so your team knows it's ready for use. Now add equipment that comes with the bed, like a drip stand, and fill in the details. Recording equipment per bed keeps your assets organized and easy to account for. In the Notes field, add a short description of the bed space and how it's used. A quick line here helps your staff understand each space at a glance. Once everything looks right, click Create to save the new bed configuration with all the details you've entered. And that's a wrap on bed management. You've just learned how to set up a bed, assign its type and ward, set pricing and quantity, and add equipment and notes. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial as we continue setting up your hospital management system.